Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This review reflects my personal experience with the product. Today, we're diving into TD Bank, specifically their personal banking options available at td.com/personal-banking. This website acts as a comprehensive hub for all their personal banking services, offering a wealth of information for prospective and existing customers. Navigating through the site, you'll discover a range of accounts designed to suit various financial needs. From everyday checking accounts to high-yield savings options and various certificate of deposit accounts, TD Bank seems to have something for everyone. They also offer a variety of tools and resources to help you manage your finances, such as budgeting tools, financial calculators, and educational materials. The site also details TD Bank's loan offerings, including mortgages, personal loans, and lines of credit, providing information on rates, terms, and application processes. Beyond the basics, the website highlights additional services like credit cards, investment options, and insurance products. It's clear TD Bank aims to be a one-stop shop for all your financial needs. You can explore their different account types, compare features and benefits, and even apply for accounts directly through the website. The site also features information on their branch locations and ATMs, making it easy to find a TD Bank near you. Furthermore, td.com/personal-banking provides access to online and mobile banking platforms, allowing customers to manage their accounts conveniently from anywhere. This includes features like bill pay, mobile check deposit, and money transfers. They also emphasize security measures to protect your financial information. While the specific details of each service are available on the website, it's worth noting the site's effort to present a clear and user-friendly experience. They seem to prioritize making it easy for customers to find the information they need and access the services they require. Overall, td.com/personal-banking serves as a valuable resource for anyone interested in exploring TD Bank's personal banking offerings.